Good morning. I think it's harvest day. Yeah. I think I have one. Maybe let that one go another day. What about this one? Maybe this afternoon. I don't know. But I just noticed. Look at that. And that. There's another one. A little bitty one. Yeah. And this poor little guy, he's hanging in there. I guess we'll see how it fares. A little bit of new growth. Yeah. So yesterday I got a soaker hose. So maybe, I don't know if I'm going to do that today. I'm going to put around this tree so I can water it. Oh, the cows are here today. You can't see one right walking there. Morning, cows. There's some over there. Morning, cows. Oh, there's one there too. Okay, I'm at Deborah's and I've just took the old piece of trim off the door and I'm gonna show. So this is all rotted down here, and instead of replacing this whole piece, because she's gonna put doors in here at some point, but to mitigate the critters going in, because they can get in through there. And seal it off better, I'm gonna put because don't have enough room to attach any small trim right here, obviously. So I'm gonna put a 1x6. It's gonna be a thick piece of trim. It's gonna hang down to not show this. And then there's a 2x4 back here that I can attach it to. That was my thought. And then I did get a new piece of trim for here and then there. So that's what I'm going to be working on this morning. Before it gets too hot anyway. Are you helping me? Huh? You see it? Yeah. You a good helper? Yeah. Okay, I got the glue in and this is level. Got it clamped. Now I'm going to put a screw in right here. And that should be pretty solid. Okay, there's the trim. Bottom piece. I'm going to go ahead and do this bottom piece too, because this is just aesthetics. This needs to be repaired for varmints getting in. So I'm going to do it first before I trim out the other. So I'm taking this piece of trim off here. Like that. Just like that. All right. And then I got to get all these nails and staples and everything like that out. So I have my trash can right here. Alright. And a nail. I don't know why they're trying to repair it with these little bitty finishing nails. Yeah, I didn't know why that is. Okay, here it is. I kind of had to rebuild the doors to get everything squared up right. So, there's the trim on the bottom. I just don't see any other way because it's so rotted. So, got that. And should some weather needed to put some weather stripping. Let me show you what I put up there. I mean, it's big. It's thick. And so when that door closes, and it stays closed most of the time, you don't see any light. Yeah, it's sticking out just a little bit. I may trim that. Can't really see it. I might put it on this side, but I'm worried that it might make the door not want to close. But we'll see. I think it's worth trying because still a gap, pretty big gap up there. All right. It's almost noon, so I'm gonna go pick Deborah up from work, and then we'll eat some meatloaf that I cooked yesterday. Yeah. I'll take all this to the trash later when it cools off.